aba babandize kwajana ahari ebyo eba basize kukora omwaka gw'2022 ebiromo okombeka amashomero emihanda hamwe n'obutare nekwe kugira ngo embaririra erikwija eyine kukora ahanshonga ezirukwata aha muntu wa burijo.
Quality health services in the district, focusing on both curative and preventive interventions as will be detailed in the various presentations. Then we also look at an issue of promoting partnership for this financial year 2024-2025. We dwell on the following: partnership of money.
Abantu bagira ngo hatini benda amani bagate eby'amagara hamwe n'amakorero.
We need to construct to extend power and construct a general ward at the local health center.
Urukiko rwetabirwemo ab'ebitongore bitari bya gavumenti, abakozi ba gavumenti hamwe n'ab'eby'obutegetsi. Omugandi abebembezi obwo bari mu rukiko rw'okweteebekanisiiza embaririra y'omwaka bahingwize kuta amaani aha by'obwegyese obwo bari kurwanisa abeegi abari kutoroka omu mashomero.
Twashanga ripota yitu yaneereka ngu 32% obulaanazi nibaruga omu ishomero babura kushoma.
Abebembezi borekere ebakozere omwaka oguhwire hamwe n'ebarikwenda kukora omwaka ogu.
Also planning to support farmers who have established the collecting sheds. We have been supporting farmers especially in this financial year and part of last financial year.
Ko mwaka ogu tushaziremu ezembuto tamaba road gang kugira ngo bazimaintaininge abo kugo mwaka twine sente nche tuza kuzikozesa ba road gang ezembuto bakuzirebera
kwija priority area zitu twenda kureba ngo twatamana ha kizimbe kitu ece cha district twatamani aha infrastructure development especially nguto amwe na mizi ng'abantu bakatinda abantu bibaroko abantu banyakashaka
Gashakwa Ansona Twine na Juliet Charsima.